Oh god, here we go. Yeah, I'm putting it on YouTube. Oh, shoot, I hate this game. This scares me too much. Get a trial of what?
I get the free version, okay?
Of White Noise? Yeah, well, there's a White Noise online, a White Noise demo. Declan got the demo.
I know, but it's only called White Noise online. There's one demo, but it's only called White Noise. Alright,
Yeah.
White Noise. No, White Noise.
Yeah. I already hear a tape recorder.
Yeah, I only have 20, only have 20 Microsoft ones. No, White Noise is Halo 4.
It's called White Noise. I hear a tape
I
recorder.
don't know, dude, no, Jason, White Noise online.
Oh, there's the tape. Okay, Luke. I found the first tape recorder, so now it's time for me to scream. I'm scared already because I said it on Nightmare.
Dude, hey, if I can do some Xbox rewards thing, you get the Microsoft points. Oh, wait. Isn't it a Milestone series, like, has a bunch of, like, cartoon characters?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, hey, let me find out. Hey, I'll do the Xbox Cloud rewards thing. I only need to see people Microsoft points. Like, buy it. You do this thing where you do a survey and you see
There you go. I need to sign up for that.
Dude, because so every time I try to sign up for it, like whenever I go to the page for it, it just says this is error and like can't be switched. Like never. I tried on the Xbox and
Ah! God dang! Oh shoot! God. Is this a dude? There's a. Is that a dead body? No, okay, I'm not.
Oh, dude, hey, I'm gonna look at your other videos. Did you put that match on it?
I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, I named it Sticks and Stones.
Yeah, all these different air squads.
Yeah.
Which one is the montage you made?
Oh, that was the first one I made. The first one I made. The first one I made. The first. Oh, I hear a tape recorder. I hear a second one. Oh shoot! I found this. It sounds like a tape recorder not making no noise. I found my second one. Declan didn't even make it this one. No, Declan tied this.
Okay, this is like different games that
Yeah, if it's on YouTube, probably is.
Yes,
Yeah, I came in tomahawk and everybody shoot! What is killing me? I want to know what's killing me right now. Okay, can't go that way. No, I mean he ain't nowhere. Fuzzy stuff just started coming up on my screen. That sounded so stupid. Shoot. White noise is like it, but you know, it's an off-brand version of it.
I know it in the daytime. Is that in the daytime or nighttime?
Night. Ah! God! Shoot. Oh shoot, I almost died. God dang. I hear another tape recorder.
I'm near the castle.
Shoot. You don't know how bad I want to rage quit right now.
Run!
Yeah, you playing Slender? Yeah.
Okay,
I hate white noise. I hate white noise. Yeah, no, he does that. I hate white noise. I hate it. I hate white noise. Because I just went down a dead-end road. This is great. Yeah, that's what I want to do right now, but I hate this game. Why did it say you started playing community game when... What is that, Jared?
Play to earn, play games to reward, know that.
Shoot, oh, that's one of the green things. I am trapped! Gosh, shoot, run, get out of there, get out of there. I know it's stupid to run because you never run. My flashlight's going up. Ah! God! God, God, God! I'm sweating. I am sweating right now. Oh, shoot.
Oh, crap.
How did that not kill me? Where'd he go?
Nightmare!
I'm gonna just kill myself. Just go ahead. Shit, I'm scared. I'll just do it. Shit. Well, I didn't kill myself. He killed me.